What's up, YouTube? Do you want to know what the law of attraction is and how it can help you to succeed? If so, stay with me. It's coming right up. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Cameron. I'm known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I'm actually one of the few people who could pull one off successfully. Well, me and this guy. This guy. Now, before we get into today's topic, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products and make money online niche, basically because I want to make sure you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Bart, seriously, you gotta look at the reviews. He never looks and then he complains. Same thing every time. Anyhow, I also do a lot of videos like this, one about mindset kind of stuff involving entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Liz Lemon, thank you again. She says the same thing every single day to me, and it's always a pleasure to hear it. Now, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe really doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's keep the conversation going, and let's get right into this. So what exactly is the law of attraction anyhow? Does it mean that if I really, really want to be dating Angelina Jolie, I just have to attract her to me?
Wow, Angelina Jolie.
Yeah, that doesn't quite work that way. The law of attraction is actually a bit more nebulous than that, but something that's been around for ages, and it's also something which has been proven to work. I'm not kidding when I say it. I can tell you from my own personal experience, the law of attraction is absolutely real, and I'm going to tell you exactly how to do it. The first person who actually came up with the idea was the Buddha. Yeah, that guy. Basically, the idea is that you will attract into your life whatever the things that you really want. If you really, really want success, you're going to see success, but you have to really, really want it. And yeah, I know that sounds kind of touchy-feely and all, but I can say with 100% certainty it's true. But I think that maybe if we reframe it, it's going to be easier to understand. I started my journey building an online business back in October of 2018. Now, before that, I had made money online. I had worked for like 10 years in content writing, copywriting, and sales. So I did have a little bit of a leg up over a lot of other people who want to get into affiliate marketing and product launching and all that kind of stuff. But to be perfectly honest, back then I knew almost nothing compared to what I know now. I really have learned a lot. But this is where I think the law of attraction comes in. And I know there were times that I really wanted to quit, but I knew I really, 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 really wanted it very, very badly.
I wanted it badly, so I developed a move.
Yeah, pretty much like that. I had to come up with my own move. And basically, my own move was like this. I went and sought out opportunities. When I saw an opportunity, I took it. Okay, if there was a marketer showing me an opportunity, I took it. But I didn't just take it. I actually used it. And, I think that because I wanted it badly, because I was willing to keep pushing and keep trying and keep doing it, I was able to attract into my life the things that I needed. Obviously, some things were a matter of serendipity. It happened to be that I happened to purchase some PLR from Stephen Alvey, and then I saw his offer for coaching, and it was serendipity that I happened to open that email. I don't even know who sent it to me, but I happened to open that email. I happened to look at his coaching, and I actually went and took advantage of it. But again, it wasn't just the fact that wasn't just the fact that I took advantage of the opportunity. I actually called him. I contacted him, and we developed a relationship, and we worked together, and that's why I was able to see success. And the serendipity happens to you over and over and over again if you are actually looking for it, if you're willing to really make it happen. If you're not willing to really, 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 really want it, you want it so badly that it hurts, then you're never going to see success online. It's just not going to happen. You have the law of attraction only works when you really, really, really want it. And if you do, you're going to see that serendipity is just going to show up for you. And it's not really that showing up for you. It's more that you're noticing it at the right time and you're taking advantage of it. So if you really want the success online, go out there and grab it by the horns and make it happen for yourself.